Now, I'd like to talk about GST reports. In SQL account, to look for the Malaysian GST, you can always drop down here and select the reports that you like to see. However, you are also able to open up the GST return and select the periods of your taxation return cycle or submission in order to view relevant dates submission reports. So for example, here I have 2 cycles and I choose to open up the tax return for between April to June. If I double click on it, I will be able to see this screen from April to June. And then if I go to print GST listing or print GST 03 or any other reports, I will be able to open up screens like this one from April to June. As you can see here, it gives you a very detailed breakdown listing of what is in your standard rated for tax as well as purchases, and of course all this transaction can be double clicked to drill down to source document. Now if I want to view a different month, I can always go to the next tax return submission cycle. Let's say in this case it will be 1st of July to 30th of September. I can press apply and we'll be able to view a second listing over here, as you can see. And now this one I have further breakdown of individual tax categories for this particular cycle of some tax return. Of course, I can also choose which tax return I just want to view. For example, if I just want to see only under exempted, apply again, I will be able to see those that's under exempted alone. And if I do want to preview the report, I can of course always preview and we'll be able to clearly see the numbers that I want to see for perhaps cross comparison purposes. It will give you the detailed breakdown of every tax codes and whether it's under sales or under purchase. Now the other thing is, finally, your GST 03, you can always reprint your GST 03 by month or by quarterly. In this case it will be April to June. It will be exactly the same as the one you have filed for the GST return earlier.